Nicaragua, as the locals call it. Wonderful place. You should definitely visit. Not the safest place I've ever visited. The scenery is phenomenal, and you cannot beat the prices. Fried rice and quesadillas. A feast fit for a Nicaraguan king. $2 My first stop is Leon, and their signature attraction is volcano boarding, which at first didn't sound that appealing, but ended up being really cool. 50 drunkard people get in this truck and drive all the way to the volcano. And everybody aboard and send them chopping up to the top. Then I'm up there just looking down at 2,100 feet of volcano.
The anticipation is really the exciting part.
Take a deep breath and then just let it rip. I'm barreling down the mountain. I'm just showboating for our foxy Aussie guys. I didn't quite make it down safely, but I did gain a whole new respect for the durability of the GoPro camera.
Alright! He's alright! Epic! Still rolling! Still rolling!
A Nicaraguan guy at the bottom with a radar gun, clocking everybody's speed. Fastest man down got a free volcano shot, which is rum that has habaneros soaking in it for a couple of days.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shots! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shots! 30 seconds! 30 seconds!
You're welcome.
I'm just having a great time, sir, and I was wondering how you feel about having me in your country.
Fuck you and all you Yankees.